down and with Samad to enjoy in Corniche now.
Yeah, preparation now.
Preparations. Yala. Let's go. This is your first time, right? To go Corniche, right? Yeah, there is very nice. Very nice view. Yeah. Ah, it's nice, man. Yeah. Going beach today. Yeah. So we can wait that other there in fifth floor. Where are you from, Samad?
I'm from Morocco.
Morocco. Yeah. This is my friend Samad. Now we want to try going to Corniche. First time is to go there.
Abu Dhabi, so
Abu
they
Dhabi.
invite me. They're very nice Filipino people.
Yeah.
So here we are waiting for others, always late. See, it's 3 o'clock. They said already 2, but still, you know, Filipino time. You should extend.
Filipino time, yeah.
2 hours.
2 hours. 2 hours right there. Okay, see you there. Corniche, brother. Gate 6, brother.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, my friend. Samad. Samad. Ganda oh. Ganda ng ano. Let's go. Ayan guys. Paano? Sa may gate 6. Yan. Tara na. Ano sila ano? Yan. Let's go. Andun sila, andun sila. Ah. Bank to bank. Samad is there. Yeah. Samad! Ayan. 1050. Amad, 1050. Ayun, sasama mo mag-ano. Kaskas niya na sa kanya. Samad, tumas money.
Why you don't want to
Withdraw. Okay, going. Come, Ahmad, let's go. All tickets. Give all tickets. Tan 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 tan.
You forgot?
So I'm gonna hear Samad
Yeah, we are going for preparation for barbecue.
Yeah. Preparation for barbecue. Ha? Where barbecue? Dito.
Yeah,
Ano?
we'll have still we catch some sunlight so we can change our color, getting some brown.
Bro. Dito, dito. Here, here. Be nice. Nice here. Samad.
Yeah.
Ah, iba. Yeah. Ligo tayong lahat. Ah, Samad. You go shower?
We go to swim.
You swim? No.
It's cold.
Of course, right? Samad.
But it's enough mostly, no?
Yeah, you can remove. Ayan pa yung ginamit natin kahapon. Agabi.
Preparation still.
Preparation after 10 minutes. We can go swim.
Three hours later.
Now where are we going, Samad? Going to swim.
Yes, going to swim. Finally.
Finally.
After Corona finish.
Oh, really?
Oh, finally I'm gonna swim with my new friend.
Yeah,
It's been actually
Samad,
first
Samad.
time to go out with Filipino, but
Yeah.
we actually found them very nice, very
Nice, very
wonderful
funny,
day.
very funny.
Yeah, very sarcastic also.
Sarcastic also.
First time I saw someone sarcastic silently.
See? It's nice. Here? Better there. This is the first time to go swimming now. So we will experience with Sama today. We will check what experience today. See? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. We will try. Go there?
to jump.
Yeah, there to the
No,
jump.
he was shocked.
One. Ang lamig, lamig. Lamig. Come, Samad. Check. We will try. Come, Samadi. Experience mo lang to dito sa Pilipinas, wala ilog. Ilog mo may experience ng ganito. Dati ilog lang ako naliligo, ngayon may white sun na oh. Nakaka-relax na. Happy New Year guys, let's sa Pilipinas. Subscribe pa rin kayo sa channel ko. Yan, Jabing Sidos. Okay. Relax siya, Brad. Nakaka-relax. Happy New Year! Marami palang handa yung mga ano, lahat ng tao. Happy New Year dyan sa Pilipinas. Mga nakikita ko sa Facebook lahat, puro ano, puro Happy New Year, mga handaan, ang sasarap. Sana itong 2021 wala nang ano, pandemic na mararanasan. At wala na rin yung mga ano, mga virus na yan. Ayan. Ayan, jet ski yun ah. Silaw. Relax. Samad! Hindi, kalahati lang. Natapos na kami guys sa swimming kanina. Ngayon magbabalaw na kami. Sobrang lamig, man. Lamig. This is the January 1 New Year celebrations. Ayan, palubog na kasi yung araw kaya medyo malamig na siya. Anong oras na? 4. Yes, Samad! Yeah! Can I with you? Yeah. Sorry, I didn't hear you. So now we will go shower now.
Shower?
Yeah.
Actually, we're getting food. Nice
Nice weather.
cold,
Yeah.
wonderful. But honestly, he's stuck. He cannot look here or there because his wife is here.
Yeah. Kali mo na yung bag. You have towel?
Yeah.
Only towel.
Only towel.
I'll take your towel.
Yeah, that's the bag.
Ay, pegang ganto ni mga pet.
Yeah, tomorrow another face.
Now we will go shower, and then after that shower, we will eat together.
Yeah.
Saban. Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna eat adobo chicken.
Adobo chicken, adobo. Tell to your subscribers, Saman,
Salmon.
what you think? What you tell your subscribers?
Subscribers gonna increase. Everyone gonna comment. I
You,
hope
you have 1 million subscribers, right? Now we are going showers. Huh? Oh, yeah. There we go. There, shower there. Come on, Saman, come on. Bakit? Oh, Saman. Woo. It's nice. Woo. Oh. Ayan. Shower na tayo guys kasi may asin-asin tayo. Ayan. Ah. Woo. Sarap. Sarap. Shampoo please. Ah. Yan, sarap. Aligo. Yan. Ah. So guys, maraming salamat sa pagsasama. Then thank you
for watching, and I hope you like this video, and promise next video is gonna much better than this. Thank you.
Thank you. See you guys. See you next vlog. Bye.